Hello, welcome. I'm Gary Samuelson, PhD in atomic medical physics. I've been involved throughout my whole career in developing emerging technologies that will solve some of the greatest problems we have in health today. One of the greatest problems that we have in the world today is actually that people are not healthy. No matter what they're doing, no matter how they're trying, they don't understand the true principles of health and therefore are suffering mental deficiencies, inflammation in our joints. We're not able to lose weight. We're not able to get our metabolism into its optimal level. We're not able to build muscle. And things like this have happened because we really don't have an understanding of what is required on the cellular level to really achieve success. There isn't anything more important than understanding what health really is on a cellular level, what your cells need in order to optimally function.